Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Riley back with another one. And baby, today what I got in store for you is a fashion video. So I recently bought these headphones, right? I know that it was unnecessary for me to start the video wearing them, but I recently bought them and I want to style these for the whole week. So basically this will be a whole week of me going to campus in pink. Isn't that just crazy? Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video because I'm not trying to bore you with this long intro. Okay. So this is the outfit and I don't like it because it's showing my little belly. I don't know what this belly is full of because honestly I did not eat this morning. My stomach has been grumbling, baby. So as to why I look like this, don't know. Mind you, I don't know how I actually look. I don't know the full look. But how I look with the headphones. Guys, please tell me how I look. This I don't want to find myself. I don't want to find myself. So I think for shoes I'm gonna go with my pink dusty pink Vans. They're quite dirty. So don't judge me. But I think I'll go with that. And these shoes are so dirty it's not even funny anymore. I know that I'm a bit far from where I was before. I just moved the camera back. So this is the fit. Let me just can y'all see how disgustingly dirty disgustingly dirty these shoes are? I will wash them, don't worry. This is the Fitono. The problem is now it looks kind of weird and bulky-ish, especially at the back, because yeah, those who know, those who don't overanalyze it. Okay, yeah. So this is the stitch. I just need to put my jewelry and then I'll be done. My jewelry, my go-to butterfly ring, because I'm obsessed with butterflies. I love me some good butterflies. And then this cute little spiral ring. Well, I made it a spiral ring. It wasn't intended to be a spiral ring, but it is a spiral ring now. For bangles, I need to invest in more bangles and hand pieces, or whatever this is. Just a stainless jewelry piece that my baby sister Wami has been wanting to wear for the longest of time, and now I'm finally doing it for her. Not her smiling in the background, but it's for her because she's been wanting me to wear this. So yeah, this is the almost final look. Okay, so I decided to change the earrings so that they can go with this bracelet. Now this is the full look. Haha, washa. The outfit of the first day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that. Good morning, y'all. It's a new day, and y'all can already see what vibe I'm going for today. I'm going for more sporty look. I try not to be too drastic with anything. Like my liner today, it's just simple, straight to the point, because I want to go to the gym today. So yeah. However, after the gym, I have to go to campus. I need to have 2 outfits, and I'll try to incorporate pink in both. So for now, this is me. I'm just gonna go look for some jeans to wear and a top, probably a white top, because I already have the pink. This is my pink today. Okay, I don't want to do too much. I don't want to hurt your guys' eyes. So let me just go change and stop rambling, you kid. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Alright, last time in the previous clip, the sound was not sounding. It was not giving. It wasn't even there. It was non-existent. But anyway, it's the next day, and I am planning on wearing a white denim skirt with a pink cardigan. So let's see how that sounds out. Okay, so this is the outfit. Let let me just, yeah, this is the outfit for today. It's a little mini skirt, probably shouldn't have worn this, but I had this idea in my head, and yeah, I executed it. So for the jewelry, you guys won't see my face, but then it's like this pendant that my sister's friend gave to her, and then this, but it has a cross, but then I'm hiding that because I don't want them to be two elements. But then I think it would be fine if they would be, but that's not the, yeah. And then I'm wearing this that I wore earlier on this week, I think it was Monday, go to ring. And then for the, what's this, for the earrings, I have these cute little hoopies just to make the look more vivacious. This is today's outfit, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, just some technical difficulties. We have low voiceover, so today I'll be going for a more loungy look. Yeah, period. Hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's a change of scenery. I know there's a little change of scenery, but it's only because I was sick today. I was very late. I wasn't even thinking of like going to campus, but then I have to reels. But anyway, that's not the point. So today I wanted to go a little bit more different because I realized throughout the whole week I was focusing on two colors only, which was white and pink. Do tell me what else you guys like to see, because I know that I've did a full black outfit, and now I did full pink, not full pink, but like pink incorporated. The pink is here and here, just in case you guys lost the pink. I know that it's mainly because these are my three favorite colors. I think I've said it in my Get to Know Me tag on TikTok, so check me out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do check me out on Instagram, on TikTok, on Pinterest, baby. I'm everywhere. Okay, so ensure to follow me everywhere. All right, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can grow. Enjoy the rest of your day, evening, night, whatever it is. Just enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. The whole look together with the headphones. Anyway, guys, do enjoy Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and do get yourself checked out if you can at a local clinic or anything like that, because these things you never really know. But as long as you know your body and you know that this is not how you operate, just go get it checked out, because you never know up until you know.